Hey, what's going on? This is Eric, and I just wanted to show you a little trick that I do using the eBrand profile system. This is going to be a quick demonstration on the sort of things you can do to get more interaction going when you're promoting on different advertising platforms, such as traffic exchanges, social networks, safe list, viral mailers, and things like that. So when you have a lot of live eyeballs coming to your site, you want to try to interact with as many of them as you can at any possible way. So what I've come up with in the eBrand system is I came up with a page that basically lets you come up with a page. You can trace your live feed using a widget called Feedit, and as you can see here, it looks pretty decent. It's like an office environment. This is specifically for the traffic exchanges, and I also use a free chat system called peerchat.com. So as you can see, I'm using all free sources to try to get some interaction going on, and when they click on it, it goes to my referral link whenever they want to find out more. Got some autoplay video here, which causes some people to stop surfing to look at it, grab some attention. But the cool thing about it is, let me give you an example. I'm just going to put my name in here as test. Let's say they read this right here. It says Chat with Eric Abbott live by clicking on the Chat with Eric button on the bottom right of this page. For more information, they scroll down and says, before you leave, speak with me live, and it points to this little feature here. So I'll put in my name, Eric Abbott. And what's cool about it is they'll put in their email too. So I'll put in my email and I'll send chat request. And it pops up in my PeerChat console. Oh, I just got a new incoming. So I can see here I got another person from this page. So I know it's from my page. It says Eric Abbott. So I click on that and I can be like, hey, how's it going? And if I go back to the page, you can see that, hey, how's it going? That's basically how I can interact with people, and it's going to my splash pages. And what's cool is if you miss them, you can go up here and you can see pretty much what their email is, so that later on you come back to your computer, you see that you missed the chat, you can email them and follow up with them anyway. So it sort of acts like a capture form as well, if you make it to where they have to put in their email, which is really cool. You can also, whenever you go offline, you can also replace the code with a capture form as well, to replace the live feed. So whenever you're not online, you just want to, or you can have both a capture form and the live feed. I chose not to have a capture form on this. I'd rather it just work on a splash page, and I'm online most of the time, so I'll just have my chat up where they can chat with me. I own the program, so if they sign up for it, then they're basically on my list. It's not really don't really have a capture form for this. But you're certainly more than welcome to use it. Now this is free to do as well. Every single source that I'm using is 100% free. The Fidget is free. As you can see, I can monitor the traffic using it. It's coming in. And the PeerChat is free, and eBrand is free. Now the graphics I used using Ad Creator. You can use Photoshop, Ad Creator, whatever you want with the graphics. Now let me show you how quick it is and easy it is to make a interactive page like this using eBrand. All you do, go up to Profile Maker, and I want to go ahead and create a new page. New page. And it says new page successfully created. As you can see, I made a lot here. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go to template options, and you're going to go to promo video layout. So instead of using images, we're going to use text for this for simplicity's sake, but there's other templates that allow you to use images and stuff as well. We have video templates, we have regular splash pages, we have capture pages, we have all sorts of stuff here. So now that we have the template selected, this is what the layout's going to look like. You're going to have your header, going to have your photo right here, you're going to have your text, your social icons, your YouTube video, and your promo action button. So what we're going to do is going to go to our social media settings, and we're going to add our icons. Going to add our YouTube, Google+, email, everything. Going to hit update, and here's what the page looks like right now that we just made. It doesn't look like much. All it has, it's a basic layout, and so far all we added is our social icons. And now you want to go to your image settings and you want to add your picture. So I think I'm going to add that one. Oh, you know what, I'll add this one here, it looks pretty cool. And now so that my picture's added, that's what it looks like now. So now we're going to go to information settings. This is the most important part. Here we have different backgrounds that you can use. You can also pick out your own background. For now I'm going to click on this one here for now. And all you do is you hit update settings, and now we should have a nice looking background. If you want to add a header to this, you can. If you want to add a graphic, you can. If you want to add some text, we're just going to put in eBrand profile quick test, and you can make that big as small as you want. Change the color for it. We'll make it white background. And let me show you how easy it is to add YouTube videos to it. If you want to use a specific YouTube video, you just go to it, and on the YouTube link there's the video ID. You just copy that. It shows you an example in red where to get it at. You don't want to copy in the full ID. You don't want to copy in the full URL. You just want the video ID, which is at the end there, and you can choose whether you want it to autoplay or not. I want to hit yes. I want it to autoplay. You don't have to. That's just my personal reference. And you're going to want to make it white to match with the other stuff inside of the page. So we added a video. That's how easy it is. So that's pretty cool. This is really basic stuff. You get pretty advanced into it, however. Now to add your Pure Chat, all you do is go to prechat.com, you sign up for it, and they'll give you a little code. I'm going to snag the code from this page here. So I'm going to log back into my eBrand really quickly. Let's see. So once you get the code from the purchat.com, you simply, first thing you want to do in the promo text area is embed that code right into it. You copy and paste it, and then you can put in chat with me live about eBrand profile. And you can bold it up if you want. And you can change the color that you want to put that in. I want to put it in light blue. I'm going to make the background white. And I'm also going to make the header background white as well. Promo action buttons can be anything. This is how easy it is to add a promo action button. You can go to images on Google, type in join now button, and you can just snag one off of this here. This is all I do, just right click, copy image location, and you go back and you copy and paste that in, and then all you do is get your URL that you're promoting, which mine will just be get your referral link to whatever program. Let's see, here's mine here, and you want to make the background to that white so it matches the background of the join now button, and you want to put in on a blue frame color because it will look good. And really that's it. This is what it will look like here.
Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Jen.
If you want, also you can make the promo text a little bigger so it'll look better. So if you refresh that, that's what it will look like. And that's how easy it is to set up a basic eBren. So come on in, check it out, play around with it. If you like what you see, we will talk.